Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In previous video I showed you how to use corrective morph targets with Mesh Morpher, how to create them, and we used Deformer Graph to enable post skinning for our corrective morph targets. That was a good solution, but it didn't work or it doesn't work with morph targets that are not corrective. So we had to do some changes to Mesh Morpher, and now Mesh Morpher has full support for corrective morph targets, and we don't need any additional deformer graph that enables post skinning. So let's go through it, and let's see. We select our pose. We want to edit to correct this pose, and let's add a new morph target. And let's open our morph target. And if we do here any changes, let's do it. These are our changes for these are our corrections for this pose, and let's close. Now our morph target works directly with our pose, right? We don't need any other deformer graph that enables pose skinning. So if you have a corrective morph target created in preview Mesh Morpher versions, you can just select your pose and disable loading pose and just load your corrective morph target. Do any small change and undo and save it, right? Now if we close this, this will also be applied correctly to our morph target. Our pose, this will also correct our pose correctly, right? So this is it for this video. I hope you like this functionality. I hope this helps out with corrections, and see you around. Bye.